Oh!
Oh my gosh, dude, okay. Create the wall, and then we flex seal the wall also. We get one of these with a roller, and we just, after it's all up, you seal.
We're going to make the wall initially out of duct tape, put flex tape around it, and see if this solidifies it enough to stop a car. We're using these railroad ties right here that are cemented into the ground. All right, we're going double thick, and we got plenty of tape to go around.
Oh no. You guys are gonna just mob through this?
Oh yeah.
I'm kind of glad you got this because I couldn't find a lint brush at home. And I kind of got like some dog hair and such on here. Oh dude, it works.
Is that the method?
How good it works.
How many dogs do you have?
5.
We need some clearance.
I hear that welded working. Oh, big hole.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
What's up, Cole?
We're here for the rescue. Got some beverages. Dang, it's looking good. Is this assembly line overdrive? This is like way smaller.
Press fall. Ooh. She just catches it, dude.
The wall of duct tape is complete. The flex tape layer is going on now.
Sticks are coming out of the ground.
I just cracked the can of Flex Seal, dude. We're Flex Sealing the whole back for extra strength.
Oh my god, this is so thick.
It's looking good though. It's shiny too.
He's saying he's coming through this.
Maybach goes through it.
I'm saying that pretty face you're seeing
this big beard
is taking an airbag to it. And this is gonna stop him, or this guy right here, not that one.
is hitting me in the face.
This one's coming out and it's going right at the car. And
Probably gonna do it with my shirt on.
The ultimate test, does this Pepsi go flying?
If I break
Pepsi goes flying.
You say Pepsi goes flying?
If Chow hits it with enough force.
If I break it.
Oh!
It's pretty hot. It's kind of hurt.
If you go full commitment,
He's telling
you're
us-
hurting yourself.
He's slapped me in WWE style. Slap me in. Oh no, that's stiff. That's stiff. I didn't want to full commit and hurt.
yeah, you're gonna hit the ground. That's gonna be like the worst football tackle.
Hit it like that. Hit it. Met it. Hit it.
We gotta see if it can take the force. The tape flexed, but the pole stayed put.
It was like running through a finish line, dude. First place!
Jesus.
Alright, so to continue this video, we're gonna get the cart ready for takeover. Right now, I'm working on the cooling system. You're dragging the cart. Give it a little bit more gas.
Wait. You're dragging the car. It worked, right?
Straight days! Bro!
Kind of.
Bro!
That was touchy.
That's legit. Go back a tiny bit. It just shot a 5-foot flame out the back. I mean, I think you can figure out what's going on here. We're gonna try and pick up a new camera right now. Oh, that's the A7 III. We're walking out with an A7S Mark II. Dude, this is like the holy grail of nighttime cameras. Oh my god, dude, this is so heavy.
It's the supreme of cameras.
This is straight supreme. A7S Mark II. We'll have this thing out at Takeover Northwest. Now would be the perfect time to mention the sponsor of today's video, the Ridge wallets. I've been daily carrying this wallet for a while, and I have grown to really like it. It's a slim, minimalist design that prevents you from having a bulky wallet. It comes in a bunch of different colors. Click the link in the description to learn more. 28 to 75 f2.8. Look at the ND filter. A7S Mark II.
This is it. This is about to be the maiden voyage of the party cart. We're doing it though. We're death carting. We're death carting right now.
It's a lot better with the open air.
The steering is really good. The brakes are really good.
It kicked out so fast.
Dude, so easily. It literally wants to be sideways, even with 4 people in it. What'd you think? That was sick.
It's pretty
This
good.
is really fun to drive. I can't wait.
I'm gonna drive right now, so I'm just kidding now.
Let's go take it around the block.
No, it's alright.
All right, we'll have this thing out at takeover. We're gonna quickly paint this because all the bars are still raw. We're gonna go ahead and just shoot the whole thing black. Unfortunately, we won't have the 5th seat in there just because of time, because takeover is literally tomorrow. For those of you guys watching, you should go to Takeover Northwest. We will be in this thing. I will be giving ride-alongs all weekend, so come out, get a ride. Oh my god, dude, it's so crispy.
Psych.
It's our buddy James. He came here to pick up the cart. He's going to Takeover. He's got this sweet boost Mustang. We're gonna load the cart up now because Takeover starts in like 12 hours. Grass Valley, Oregon, Takeover Northwest. You down for some chicken breast?
Yeah.
I think we're good, dude.
We made it in the shade, dude.
Brilliant.
Round one for 2018 is Orion! Woo! Give it up for Orion, killing it out there. Orion, take it That's one I would have picked, but I suck.
That is a Nokia phone as a brake pad, everybody. Oh! No, dude!
We're good. We'll get her out, dog.
Can you JB weld your diff? Our JB welded diff is fully hardened now. Oh, she's welded. That's definitely a welded diff. Dude, it works.
That's drive. I'm scared. I think it's gonna blow right away. I'm cringing right now. Ready?
It's a kind of fat peel.
We just did a 2-wheel burnout. All right, the Mario Kart inspired livery is now going on. Got them coins, big ol' Mint logo on the front. This looks so good. Can you make a tire out of duct tape? It worked.
It worked.